1 in tens place. 10 not tens place. சொல்லுங்க. Number 2 in ones place. Number 1 in tens place. Okay, let's do it another number. 35. 5. Number 5 in which place? Ones or tens? Ones place. Number 5. Number 3 in tens place. Very good, very good. Number 3 in tens place. 35. 35. Okay, number 40. What number is this? 40. 40. Then we do Litishwar. Stand up and say, what number is this? 0. Which place? 0 in which place? Ones. Very good. Super, Litishwar. Number 4 in which place? Not 2. Which place? Tens place. Tens place. Very good, Litishwar. Super, good boy. Next is Srinika. Stand up. Number 20. 0 in which place? Ones place. Solunga. Ones place. Very good. Number 2 in which place? Tens place. Very good. Super. Good. Very good. Super. Next. Yuva, stand up. Number 33. Number 33. Okay. Number 3 in which place? Very good. Solunga. Ones place. Very good. Super. Next, another 3 in which place? Very good. Super, Eva. Good boy. Now you understand, students? Ones place, tens place, understand? எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? Ones place, tens place புரிஞ்சுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Very good. Clap yourself.